here! Welcome back to my channel! Today is going to be a first impression review video. Medyo matagal na din ako hindi nag-review Yeah, medyo matagal na din. Anyway, I will be reviewing this wine lip tint. Bigay sa akin to ni Mia. Hi Mia, thank you so much. And, oh my gosh, this choker, bigay niya din sa akin. Meron siyang Instagram, Miafication. She does photography, you guys, and she's really, really good. So if you're into that, you can follow her and look at amazing pictures. So yeah, we met a few days ago, and she gave me this. Actually, ako, si Kat, at saka si Ann, binigyan niya ng ganito. You guys, look at that. It is a wine. Haha. It's a wine lip tint. This is from the brand Chateau. No, I'm not gonna read it. But ito yung brand niya. Sobrang cute niya. Maliit siya na wine. I have mine in the shade Chardonnay Orange. Chardonnay. Open ko siya, ha. Look at that, you guys. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Super cute. As in, sobrang ganda. Before ko siya i-apply, check muna natin yung claims. Oh, it's made in Korea din pala. Says here. Korea. Alam natin yung Korea sa mga skincare. Bongga sila. So, sabi dito, the long-wearing tint dyes the lips with a bold yet delicate color that resembles quality wine while moisturizing the lips. Ooh. So, it claims to be long-lasting, moisturizing, and yeah. So, i-apply ko na siya. I have nothing on my lips, by the way, but you guys know, I apply lip balm every night before ako matulog, and yung gamit ko is yung Popo ointment. So yes, yun yung ganap. Ilalagay ko na siya. Close up ko kayo para makita nyo, diba? Mas maganda yung ganun. Ganito lang yung applicator niya. I will actually swatch it on the... Ooh, wow, that's bright. That's a really bright, kind of like red-orange right there. Okay. Hala, patay tayo dito. Meron siyang amoy. Sasabihin ko sa inyo mamaya. Tapusin ko muna to. Ooh, hindi pa ako tapos mag-apply sa upper lip. Yung lower lip ko, parang nagsiset na siya. Kasi nakikita ko na parang nagdry na siya ng konti. Medyo I messed up right here. So, let me just fix that. Dang. The color payoff is freaking on point, as you guys can see. It's a very dark red-orangey shade. So, if you're into that, then hey, hello, hi. Yung amoy niya, parang meron siyang may pagka-hint ng wine. May ganun pa talaga ako. Pero meron din siyang ibang amoy na hindi ko ma-explain. Pero hindi masama at all yung amoy niya. Well, if hindi nyo gusto yung amoy ng wine, then hindi nyo siya magugustuhan. But para sa akin, hindi na masama. Tapos ngayon, na nandito na siya sa lips ko, hindi ko na naman siya naaamoy. I can tell by just looking at it and by the feel na nag-set na siya. So let's do the transfer test. Does not... Wait. No, it doesn't really transfer. Merong sobrang konting-konti lang, pero wala na yan. Hindi na yan nag-transfer. And then when I touch my upper at saka lower lip, hindi siya sticky at all. Yes. Anyway, nag-set na siya completely and it has been, what, less than 5 minutes? So, mabilis naman siya mag-set. Hindi din siya heavy sa lips at all. So far, so good. Where's my phone? It is now 10:48 ng umaga. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. I am back! It is now 2:39 ng hapon. So it has been 4 hours. Kumain na ako ng lunch, you guys, and yung lip tint, as in nandito pa rin siya, parang wala lang nangyari. Hindi siya nag-transfer sa food ko at all. Hindi siya nag-transfer sa bato ng tubig na ininuman ko. Until now, it's still kiss-proof. Bonggang-bongga yung staying power niya. Pag tinignan mo lang siya, parang nakita mo, oh, dry tingnan yung lips mo. But feeling-wise, hindi dry yung feeling ng lips ko at all. Still very lightweight. Parang wala lang siya sa lips. When I was eating my lunch today, I was eating it like normal, na parang wala akong lipstick. Kasi nga, hindi ko siya nafe-feel at all. You know what I mean? Kapag meron ka kasing lipstick, you tend to be careful when you eat. Kasi ayaw mo na parang mag-smudge yung lipstick mo, or you know what I mean? Pero dahil very lightweight siya, kain lang ako ng kain kanina. Like, I really didn't care, which is good. And kahit na ganun na yung pagkain ko, ha, as in, nandito pa rin siya. As in, you guys, parang walang nangyari. Like look it. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna update you guys later after na naming mag-dinner and see kung ano magiging itsura niya din. I'm back! It is now 9:05 ng gabi. Nandito pa rin yung tint, oh. Kanina pa to. And scrub ko na to with like a scrubber para sa dishes. Hindi pa rin siya nawala. Sa lips naman, nandito pa rin siya. For the most part, as in nandito pa rin siya. Hindi nga lang siya ganun ka-even like kanina. But, nandito pa rin siya, you guys. Nakita ko, nag-transfer siya sa napkin na pinunas ko sa mukha ko while I was eating. Pero not like a messy transfer. Parang yung siguro yung mga oil na dun sa lips ko. Tapos pagpunas ko, parang na-transfer siya. Pero konting-konti lang. And ngayon, hindi na siya ganun ka-even. Hindi ako nag-retouch at all. Ang dami-dami namin kinain. Kumain kami ng pasta, nag-cake. Tapos ilang beses akong uminom. So, sobrang daming pinagdaan ng lips ko and then the lip tint is still there. Again, hindi na siya ganun ka-even, but it's still there. Hindi siya as in overly drying sa lips, which is good. Considering na sobrang lamig today, as in sobra. 13 degrees kanina. And usually, yung lips ko talaga nagka-crack. With this lip stain, hindi siya nagka-crack at all. So, I do agree sa kanyang moisturizing effect daw sa lips because it did say on the claim na meron siyang moisturizing effect. Hindi ko napansin kung kailan naging uneven tingnan yung lip stain kasi wala akong mirror kanina. Pretty sure meron silang ibang shades. I'm just not sure kung ilang shades meron available. Hindi ko rin alam kung magkano to. I have no idea kasi nga bigay lang sa akin to. But I will look it up and I will leave that information below. I'm also not sure kung makukuha nyo to sa Philippines. Pero yeah, if you can get your hands on this, I recommend you guys give this a try. And that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do like this video if you found it helpful. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. And I will see you guys in my next one. Do not forget, we goodbye. Hala! Ano na? Ano na? Yeah, anyway, nagsit?